Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can upload images to your diagrams and drawings on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So head over to your drawing on Google Drawings. You will see the icon here in the top left corner indicating that you're logged in on Google Drawings, because by the URL address you might think this is Google Docs, but this is actually Google Drawings with a different canvas, like that diagram canvas here in the background. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your document and then click into Insert, hover mouse over Image, and then choose one of these options. For example, you may navigate to a photo or image from Google Drive, from Google Photos, or use one to upload it from your device. So click into this button. So let me do that. Navigate to the given image, and then it will be added to your diagram so that you may, for example, connect it with other elements of your diagram using these connectors here. And that's it. So if I, for instance, move one of these objects here, the connector will be moved as well. So these functions here on Google Drawings apply also to images you insert. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.